Hello happy people, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be reviewing a new collection from Madam Glam. This is their I Am Loved collection, and obviously it's in honor of the month of February, which is the month of love. Also Black History Month, okay? But yeah, let's go ahead and hop into this beautiful collection here. These are the colors that they sent me. Let's take a closer look at each one. So this is 8 different gel polishes, and one is also a top coat, I believe. Oh no, it's not. That was a different collection. So yeah, these are all of the colors here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a closer look at each one, and then we'll get to swatching, okay? These are super cute. First color we have here is Rose Glow. Ooh, it's a really beautiful, soft, kind of milky pink shimmery color. Very pretty. Love that. Next we have Stardust Kiss. Ooh, pretty. This is a really gorgeous light pink glitter color or shimmer. It's really pretty. And I do love that, like I said, these new collections all have that rounded brush, which I think is really great for getting into the cuticle area. Next we have Midnight Wine. Oh, cute. So this one is also like a really fine glitter, but very gorgeous wine color. Love that. Burning Love. Oh, cute. This is like a fiery orange color. I don't think I have anything like this. It's like an orange shimmer color that has like slightly red undertones to it. It just gives like a burning desire color is what it feels like to me. That's a really pretty and unique color. Oh yeah, Burning Love. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, it looks very fiery. Love that. Dream Light. Oh, cute. Really cute pearly iridescent color. Has those nice little shifts of like purple, pink, even a little bit of a hint of blue. Crush Hour. Oh, super cute. This is like an electric pink that has that shimmer of the blue and purpley shift to it. It's very pretty. What is this called again? Crush Hour. It's cute. Next we have Tender Hearts. I think this is the first cream in the collection. All the other ones kind of have like somewhat of a shimmer to it. Okay, yeah, this is a nice, beautiful, pure light pink color. Secret Promise. Okay, and this is another cream color. It's a very beautiful, dainty light pink. Super cute. All right, so let's get to swatching, y'all. Rose Glow. It's really pretty. It's giving like strawberry milkshake a little bit. Super cute. Yeah, that's really pretty. Stardust Kiss. This one's of a thicker consistency, the gel itself, but it still self-levels beautifully. Definitely want to go in with 2 coats, but that is a gorgeous shimmer. Love that. Midnight Wine. Ah, yeah, this color looks just like the name. A beautiful deep wine color, like a red wine. Very pretty. That's gorgeous. Burning Love. Yeah, I just love this color. It just looks so fiery. Like, I don't even know how they captured this color in a polish, but yeah, it's like this reddish pink color that looks like it's on fire. Like, it just looks very fiery. I love that color. That's very different and unique. It's gorgeous. Dreamlight. And this is pretty. This reminds me of like this pearly iridescent color I used to wear. I think it was from like Sally Hansen way back in the day. But you know, it was like this like milky sheer color. You can still kind of see your nail through it, but also it has these like purpley, bluish shifts to them. It's a very pretty color. Yeah, I like that. Crush Hour. Oh, that's cute. It's a very bold pink. Also has those blue shifts, like the iridescent shift to it. but you really only see like the blue and the purple. That's so pretty. Tender Hearts. That's a really nice cream color. Super cute pink. Slightly mauvey undertones to it, but very, very gorgeous. Secret Promise. It's kind of like a little bit of a sheer pink. No, not really. It's just a really nice, soft, dainty pink. Almost like a syrupy color, maybe I would describe this as, but it's really, really gorgeous. Definitely could build up the opacity. So I'm gonna go in with 2 coats of all these colors and I'll be right back. Alrighty, this is what these colors are looking like all swatched out. I think this is a really gorgeous collection. I'm gonna give you a closest of each one. So the first color we have here is Rose Glow. This is a really beautiful light pink color that has those really fine silver glitters in there, almost shimmers really. Stardust Kiss, which is another beautiful light pink, also has those silver shimmers in there. Midnight Wine, which is this gorgeous deep wine color that also has a little bit of glitter slash shimmer to it. Burning Love, which I think is my actual favorite color from this collection. It really just looks like fire. It looks like it's a burning orange color. It just looks like it's orange that has like this fieriness to it. I don't know how they captured this in a polish, but it's absolutely beautiful. Dreamlight, which is this really beautiful pearly white color that has that iridescent shift of the purples and the pinks and slightly blues. This is another one of my favorites from the collection. This is Crush Hour. This is a beautiful vibrant pink that has a blue shift slash undertone to it. Tender Hearts, which is a really beautiful cute mauve pink color. And then last but not least, we have Secret Promise, which is this really beautiful soft pink color. Crazy enough, this color actually looks like the pink that I have on my nail over here. So I think this is a really cute little pink. So yeah, I think this is a really beautiful collection that Madam Glam came out with. It's absolutely perfect for the month of love. This is a cute February collection that they came out with. I think all these colors, my favorite from the collection is definitely the Burning Love, which is this orange that looks like it's on fire, and this Crush Hour, which is that vibrant pink that has those blue undertone shifts to it. I do think blue undertones with pink definitely makes the color pop a little bit more. I actually have a lipstick that's this pink that has like a blue shift to it, and it just looks really beautiful. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all enjoyed the swatches. Let me know which color was your favorite. I do have a discount code with Madam Glam. I'm going to leave it here on the screen as well as in the description box below in case you guys want to shop their website and save some coin. And yeah, I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If y'all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope y'all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day.